At site, the approximate location of the buried gas lines are identified by yellow paint or flag markings. Reference the copy of the locate ticket and the drawing of the work area to ensure that the drawing matches the marks on the ground and the full work area is located. Dig with the machine a minimum of 1 meter away from the outside of the locate marks and parallel to the gas line. While using the excavator, have a spotter monitor the trench at all times. The spotter should communicate closely with the machine operator to ensure he does not dig towards or into the area of the buried gas line. Once the initial trench is dug, use a shovel to dig within the 1 meter hand exposed zone. Dig carefully with the shovel, held at a shallow angle, removing small layers of dirt at a time. While hand digging, a locator tool may be used to assist in identifying the location of the gas line. Continue to remove small amounts of dirt until the gas line is fully exposed. Do not step or jump aggressively on the shovel. Use caution not to damage or nick the gas line with the shovel blade. Once the line is exposed, bank to bank, you may dig closer to the gas line with the guidance of a spotter. The spotter ensures that the bucket of the machine remains a minimum of 1 foot away from the exposed gas line.